So we've taken a look at all of our ribbons, and we've taken a look at the format menu. I want to come over here and take a look at the view menu. And under the view menu, we've already sort of seen the view menu in action. And anytime you need to see something or view something in Microsoft Word, one of your first places to look should always be under the view menu. So you want to view your ruler? Well, come under the view menu and you have ruler right here. And you saw the ruler just disappeared. And when I come down to view ruler, it comes back up. If I want to view my headers and my footers, I could come here. Master document, I've never used in my life. I don't find it very helpful. So that's just something you could just sort of glance past or Google it if you're interested in reading about it. But I'd be willing to lay a wager that you won't find it very helpful either. I find, markup to be also equally, unhelpful. But reveal formatting is sometimes helpful. And so I could come here and choose, view, reveal formatting, and then whatever I click on, it's going to show me exactly how that item is formatted. So if I ever want to sort of determine, wow, how did that get formatted that way, I could come in and I could take a look at that. That is, on a rare occasion, useful. So again, a lot of the other things that we've already seen in here, like viewing our toolbars, viewing our sidebars, viewing the media browser, which was this deal right here, or coming in and viewing our toolboxes, like all these different things that we work with, we can bring them up and access them through the view menu. And so I just want to make sure that that's something that really gets driven home, that when you want to view something about Microsoft Word, you go to the view menu. I will talk about these top two layers right here for just a moment. So you have print layout right there, which is my favorite view to always work in. And then we also have draft view. And sometimes that's useful for seeing page breaks or section breaks. These other views in here, and there's a lot of them, I don't find useful at all. Web layout, outline view, not useful. Notebook layout is kind of interesting. So if you click that, it says, hey, do you want to start using that? And I'm like, yeah, but you could either convert your current document or create a new document. So I don't know, let's create a new and then we'll try converting. But if you create a new one, that's kind of interesting, right? And so I sort of have this notebook layout view, and that's notebook layout view. I'm going to go back to our other document and let's try converting it and see what happens. Convert. Excuse me. And so there it is with the converted notebook layout view. So that's kind of an interesting view. It might be handy sometime just for presenting something in a slightly different way, and you could add different sections and things like that. So it's kind of fun to know about.